Camera rolling.
Take one.
G'day guys, it's Dean here from Leonard Homes. We're at our custom build in Barden at the moment. Roof's on, rough-ins are done. We're just about to reach lock-up stage. Let's go have a look. Right guys, this is the lounge room we're in and kitchenway. So we've got 4-metre ceilings coming all the way to the top, square set all the way around with our curved walls coming through. And we've got our massive kitchen bench running through here, wrapping around the side, and our 3-metre long island bench. Towards the outside of the house, we've got these massive sliding glass doors that you can see that really open up the space to make inside-outside living a lot nicer. And then coming outside here, we've got our deck area. Here we have the rake ceilings going all the way from 2.7 on the sides to the apex at 4 metres. Keeping this gable end open is key to letting as much light in as possible and giving us that grand feeling when we walk out here that the natural light's coming in, as well as the wind and all the natural stuff. Let's go on rambling then. Having the inside-outside flow of this house with the 5.7 metre opening doors at 2.7 high, as well as the front door right at the front of the house, is having that same Queenslander feel of natural airflow running from the front of the house all the way through to the back. Being in a character overlay area, we needed to stick to not only the aesthetics of the house, but also the general build of the house as well. So flow, functionality, we're in a Queenslander built area in Barden here. So we wanted to build a house that reflected all the houses beside it and in the suburb as well. So my favorite parts of this build is all the way from the entry to all the way out the back, walking in the front door, seeing right at the back door there, and then walking through with the curved walls. I feel like walking down, everything opening up is going to make it feel a lot more grander, especially with the 4-metre ceilings. This place is going to look huge once the stairs are in and all the plastering's on. Right guys, so this is upstairs here. We've got 2.7 metre ceilings the whole way through. As we're coming up the stairs through here, we come into our powder room and into our wash-up area. Then coming into our rumpus room. So we've got 1, 2, 3 bedrooms upstairs here, plus the master, that's 4. So nice sized rumpus room here for all the kids. Everyone's got a cupboard built into it. In here we've got our main bathroom. So we've got our wall hung vanity coming in through here. Our massive shower, 1200 wide shower with ceiling roses coming off the wall. And we've also got a freestanding bath coming in this section here, which will look nice. We've opted to have a ledge here. So along the whole entire bathroom area here will be a 95mm niche ledge shelf, which we find will be good when inside the shower, gives us more room, haven't got to worry about a niche or anything like that, and then gives us enough area to have our inbuilt wall cabinets on the top here and still have areas to put bits and pieces, and it just looks a lot nicer and crisper the whole way through. Coming up the hallway here, we've got another one of our bedrooms with lovely Max, who's cleaning up for us at the moment. And then coming around here, we've got our office space. So office or study, if you want to call it that. All right guys, this is the master bedroom. So we've got our walk-in robe through here with our shelf across the top and drawers throughout, extra shelving for shoe storage, some drawers and everything for knickknacks and other bits and pieces. Coming through here, we've got our massive master bedroom, 2.7 ceilings. It only looks low because we're standing on all the plasterboard delivery here at the moment. But we've got 2 giant windows either side, and then we've got 2 double hungs that are actually coming today to be installed that swing inside the house. And they've got a little deck out the front here. So keeping with the tradition of Queenslanders, we're having the deck with the cladding handrail all the way around with a bread loaf across the top, just to build it into the area and keep it still aesthetically pleasing to the rest of the houses around the area here in Barden. The ensuite through here, we have a massive double, again, wall hung vanity unit coming through here, as well as dual showers in this one. So we've got mixer on this side, mixer on this side, as well as our 2 overhead showers. Now we've opted for something a little bit different in this one, which is not having any wall niches or a shelf at all, but having an actual section in here that'll have shelves in it itself, tiled shelves. So you can put all your hair products and shampoos, conditioners, all those stuff in through here, and then another one on that side there. So it's pushed and hidden away, out of the way. All of our toilets in this build are in-wall cisterns, so nothing protruding past there but the actual toilet pan itself. And 2.7 ceilings the whole way through. Ducted air conditioning, doesn't get much better than this. As we're on the roof at the moment, we've gone with the Colorbond Dover White as the roof, fascia and gutter colour. So we've gone with the gable roll to keep in with the heritage again, with all the Queenslanders around the area. That runs all the way up through here and comes into our open gable end with our king post in the middle. Big beams, and gives us a nice height of 3.3 metres from ground level in the master bedroom all the way to the top. So it really gives it that luxury grand feeling just at the front of the house and the facade, as well as mimicking what's out the back of the house as well, so keep it all intertwined. So the difference between doing a custom build and a standard build is, with the custom build at this stage, there's a lot more involved detail wise. All the little 1%ers come into play. So making sure that blocks are in, heights are correct, all these little intricate pieces of the build are something that needs to be looked over stringently and with a lot of care. Window heights, all this stuff has a certain height and degree that the architect has given us. So we need to make sure that all those measurements are correct. Instead of a standard build where we just go 1800 high, bang, 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 all gets done. This one, windows are up and down, different heights, there's steps in the slab, steps upstairs. There's a lot of things moving parts in this kind of build, and we just need to make sure that we're on top of it 24/7, which we are, and on site, and give it a lot of detail and a lot of time and a lot of care to make sure that we don't miss anything. All right, so we've got the roof on, sarking on, windows installed, plumbing rough and done, aircon rough and done, electrical rough and done, walls are pack and planed, site clean's happening now. Next stage is to get the house enclosed, so we'll have cladding put on the walls, our render board on the bottom, and then start our internal insulation, plasterboard, and then kick off from there. See you in the next one.